Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of GardenArc. So in this video I'll be showing you that how we can multiply in bigger pot of all your butterflies bulb. So here, oops. So see, it's going to break all these pots because it's been a long time that I have planted this into these pots. Not even this, even this plastics also not up to the good quality, so it's getting very much unstable position. So I just need to report this into this one which made by my mom. So this one is quite big and strong enough, so I thought let's give a little bigger space for this cute plant, so it will be more healthy and bushy kind of stuff. And this plant bulb, let's see how we can multiply this in bigger way. And in this video also you will be seeing that how we are going to arrange this soil mixture for this butterfly plant. So what we are having is 60% we are using the garden soil, which is the regular one. Then we have the sand mixture with a little charcoal, and then we have some smashed eggshell that also will be helping this plant to give more protein to grow a little faster. It's kind of like a boost up this plant. So I'm not going to give any further soil or any further ingredients. So that will be the thing for this butterfly. These are very simple and quick easy stuff that you are always around your garden. So my soil is almost ready, and I'm just trying to filling this pot. So I'll not be filling the pot full all around, but I'll be keeping spaces for the seeds and the top layer soil. So here a lot of bulbs are there. Let me take this camera off from here and let me show you. A lot of bulbs has been growing. I'll be very happy if they're giving me more and more butterfly plants. Here I can see a tiny little with the very big one. It's kind of a mother plant. Then tree has gone. It's 4, and we have here 2, I think. So we'll separate. Yes, 5. This is 6. So yeah, let's wash them up a little and then plant. So this is the update for now of this experiment of oxalis plant. So we have successfully completed this experiment, and if you have any sort of questions or query, you can comment below in this video section. I'll be happy to reply. Thank you so much for watching these videos, guys.